Hello my dear friends, how are you? In this video we are going to finish our exercise measurement. So let's begin our exercise about the volume. So my dear children, you can try to watch the video repeatedly so you will understand all the units, okay, thoroughly. Now look over here in your screen. Now we are going to learn about the new side heading, that is estimation of the volume of a liquid contained in a vessel and verification by measuring. That is mean you have to estimate, okay, how much volume, how much liquid is contained the container. The liquid contained in a container, that is means vessel, bottle, jar. Verification by measuring how much juice is contained in this bottle, how much milk is contained in this Tetra Pak. We have to find out. So for that there is an example given here in your book. So let us read. Now situation we are going to start. Sheila's mother prepared an orange juice for her daughter's friends. Sheila wants to share the juice with her 4 friends equally. Sheila invited her 4 friends and her mother's prepared juice for them. But Sheila wants to share this juice among the 5 members. How? Sheila has 4 friends and Sheila herself along with 4 friends. That is mean the Sheila wants to distribute the juice among 5 members. But before that they want to know how much juice does the bottle contain. Okay, how much juice her mother prepared for them. That is mean how many liters. They want to know what is the accurate measurement of the juice. How much juice did her mother prepared for them? They have given an estimated measurement, 950 milliliter of the juice her mother prepared. They have a doubt, but now they want to accurate measurement. How much juice did her mother prepared for them? For that reason they want to take accurate measuring cup or glass. From this they can measure the exact amount of juice. They want to measure the juice in a 200 milliliter glass. So they have taken 200 milliliter of measuring glass. Through that they want to verify the juice. From this they can able to find out how much juice did her mother prepared for them. They found that the bottle juice fills the 5 times 200 milliliter glasses completely. From this they have come to know that her mother prepared for them 1000 milliliter of juice, which is equal to 1 liter of juice. So in this way you can measure the accurate measurement. So now just observe the figure here. You can able to understand easily. Now the activity is there. Measure your daily consumption of water for drinking, washing and bathing. If you don't have marker, you can use bottles to do rough calculation, for which you are using more water. For example, for washing you are using more water, or for bathing you are using more water. Write it down the reason to reduce the water. If you are using more water for bathing, then you should try to avoid using more waters and you can reduce the consumption of water. you can estimate how much water you will use for your daily requirement. Then you can able to understand how much water you are using for your bathing purpose, for your drinking purpose, and give reason to reduce the water. From this way you can understand you are wasting water or you are using water in a moderate way. So if you are wasting water, that is mean you should avoid to waste water and try to give reason to reduce. From now onwards you can try to reduce. From this you will observe for which reason, for which you are using more water, whether you are using more water for washing purpose or for bathing purpose or drinking purpose. So from this way you can reduce the water, or you can different methods can use to use this water. For example, when you rinse cloth or utensil, that water is useless for other purpose, so you can use this water for planting purpose. Now the next exercise is 3.4. Here estimate how much liquid each object can hold. That is mean calculate how much liquid each object can hold. For example, hint is given here: 500 milliliter, 100 milliliter, and so on. So just observe the object and try to fill it. Even though I have filled all the blanks, you can write by yourself. I already estimated and then I fill the blanks. So just the first one, the glass can hold 50 milliliter of milk, and the second figure is our water bottle can hold 500 milliliter of water. In the market there are 200 milliliter, 100 milliliter also is there, small bottle also available. So I just estimated according to this hint given here. So 500 milliliter of water this bottle can hold. The next object is medicine bottle, which can hold 100 milliliter of syrup. I have estimated according to this hint which is given here. In the market there are 200 milliliter of syrup, 150 milliliter of syrup is also available. Even 50 milliliter of syrup or medicine is also available. The next one is our ink can hold 25 milliliter of ink. This bottle can hold 25 milliliter of ink. And the last one is the bucket can hold 20 liters of water, contain high volume of water. Thank you, girls.